What up, what up, what up, leg day loves? I'm Scola. It is time to give your legs the care they deserve after an intense leg day workout. Get ready to unlock the secrets of effective leg day recovery because your typical stretches ain't gonna cut it. Move with me as I guide you through these 3 incredible stretches that will revitalize your legs, increase flexibility, and accelerate your muscle repair. So grab your mat and a pair of socks and join me on this journey to optimal legs. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you never miss out on my latest fitness tips and routines. Now let's make those legs unstoppable and dive in. So coming down to our backs, leg day pain is real. I had a killer leg day workout yesterday. We're gonna start by opening the glutes. So you wanna have both feet bent. Start by lifting the right knee up, bringing that foot off the ground. You want to keep everything in line with that hip. Then we're going to take the opposite hand, so the left hand over to that right knee, and then place that right hand to our right glute just so we can build that mind-body connection. We're going to exhale. As we exhale, we're going to press our hand over to the left, but we're going to resist with our legs. We're going to try to push our leg out to the right. So we inhale, exhale, press, and pull at the same time. You might feel it being activated in that glute. Oh yeah. Inhale, release. Let's do that 2 more times. Exhale, resist. Inhale, release. And once more, exhale. Inhale, release. And then exhale, we might carry it over just a little bit more. Exhale, press and resist. Inhale, release. Exhale. Inhale, release. So this whole time we're trying to keep that right glute on the ground. Once more. Exhale. And inhale. So we're essentially tricking the mind to release that muscle. Then we're going to work on that longer form muscle. So we're going to swing our heel over our left knee. And then this time try to bring that knee to our shoulder. So same thing, we're going to pull with the arm, but press with the knee in the opposite direction. We inhale and exhale. See if you feel this a little bit more higher up in the glute area. Inhale, release. Do that twice more. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale, press and hold. Inhale, let go. And then maybe just give it a little pull, see if you get a little bit more range of motion. We can do that 1 more time in that deeper range. Inhale and exhale. Really try to press that glute into the ground. Inhale, release. Might even be feeling that up the thigh a little bit. Exhale. And inhale. Last time, exhale. And inhale. Can slowly extend that leg all the way long. Oh, maybe see how it feels. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So lifting that heel off the ground, I'm like, ooh, we're making everything in line with that hip. Opposite hand grabs the knee. Same hand of the leg that's lifted comes to that glute. And then this time we're just pulling across the body to the opposite hip as we resist with that leg. Exhale, press. Inhale, release. So I'm really trying not to let my leg move too much. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Nice. Maybe we carry it just a little bit deeper in. Exhale, press and resist. Inhale, release. Exhale, press. Inhale, release. Exhale, press. Inhale, release. Nice. Now we're going to swivel that heel over the knee and try to bring our left knee to our right shoulder, but resisting. Exhale, pull and push. Notice if one side's tighter. Inhale to let go. Exhale. And last time, exhale. And inhale. Let's really try to bring that knee up to that shoulder a little bit more. And once again, making sure that that heel's turned in, which turns our knee out slightly. Exhale, press. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. Last time, exhale, press. Inhale, let go. So also by engaging our muscles, we're bringing some blood flow into these areas and helping to move that lactic acid, which causes the pain, through our body out of that area. Okay, so we'll go ahead and roll to our side now. We're going to come onto our right side, or whichever side. We're going to take our top leg, so my left knee comes up and touches the ground right in front of my hip. I'm going to walk my right shoulder forward. So I'm trying to almost get in line with that knee so then I can roll my left shoulder back. So I'm going to place my right hand onto my left knee, and then I'm going to move my right knee back, grab onto that foot, really try to make sure that my knee is in line with my hips, so having to slide it back just a little bit more. I'm going to press my knee down away from me, so like towards the bottom of my mat, while sending that bottom hip forward. And I'm going to push my foot into my hand as I resist and roll that shoulder back. So inhale deep, nice and relaxed, and then exhale, press and roll that shoulder back. Inhale, let go. Exhale, press and resist. Inhale, release. I really feel this on my quad. And exhale. Inhale, let go. Maybe see if you can slide that knee back just a little bit more. And then exhale, press. Inhale, let go. And exhale. And inhale. Last time, exhale, press, hold. Inhale, release. Nice and slow. Coming onto the back, just extending that leg. Oh, it's already feeling so much more open. Then we're going to roll to the other side. So I'm going to stay this way so you can see what's happening with that back leg better. So again, my top leg comes to the ground. I want to kind of walk my bottom shoulder forward so that way my top shoulder has room to drop back and open. And then this bottom knee, I'm going to slide it back behind me so I can reach for that foot. If you can't reach your foot with your hand, you can always use a belt or a strap, towel. Now I'm going to anchor that top knee to the ground with my bottom hand, holding onto this back foot. I'm going to exhale, press and roll that shoulder back as I send my bottom hip forward. Ooh, pop. Inhale. Exhale, press and stretch, roll it open. Inhale. As you exhale, really send that bottom thigh forward as you reach that bottom knee down. Inhale. And then now see if we can walk it back just a little bit more. Big inhale and exhale. Twice more, inhaling to release. Exhale, engage and resist. I'm really pulling with my hand as I push my foot. Inhale. And last time, exhale. Inhale to release. Coming onto the back. Just like reset the hips real fast. Like glutes. Then we're going to hug the knees into the chest, gently rock up and down the spine. Little bonus here. And then we're going to come all the way to seated. So now we're going to finish with the hamstrings. We're going to start by keeping both knees bent. So the leg I'm not working with is just slightly bent here, but the leg I want to work with, my right leg, I'm going to bring the heel as close as I can. I'm going to interlace my fingers underneath my foot, and then I'm going to lift my tailbone, which lifts my heart, bring the shoulders behind the back, and gently arch to look up towards that wall where the wall meets the ceiling in front of you. And then as you exhale, we're going to slide that foot out. This is why we have our socks. And gently roll it down as we slide it forward. Not going all the way. Inhale. Maybe not lifting all the way either. Open the heart. Bring the shoulders behind the back. Exhale. Press as you resist. Rolling forward. And then inhale. And exhale. Inhale to sit up nice and tall. We'll do that. Do one more round. So again, shoulders behind the back. Try to arch upward, lifting that tailbone. As you exhale, press your foot into your hand, but resist and start to slowly round through the spine as you come forward. Inhale. Sliding back up, open the heart. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. See if we can go a little bit deeper now. Nice. Slowly release, just letting go of that leg. Inhale to slowly sit up, and we'll switch sides. So again, the leg I'm not using is kind of hanging out. If you want to fully extend it, you can, but just to help with the low back and this mobility, I like to keep it slightly bent. Pulling that left thigh in now. Again, you can also use a strap or a towel belt around that foot if it's hard to reach. Pulling the shoulders behind the back, lifting the tailbone, gently gazing up. Exhale, press that foot out as you resist. Inhale, not coming all the way to our starting point, but we're just a little bit less. Exhale, trying to go just a little bit deeper if the body allows. Inhale, and exhale. Nice. Inhale, slowly sit up. We'll do one more round of that. Inhale, sitting up nice and tall, shoulders behind the back, arching up to start. Then as we exhale, sliding that leg, the spine rounds forward as we slide. I'm really pulling back with my hands. So I'm resisting my leg moving forward. Inhale and exhale. If I were to let go of my hands, my leg would literally shoot forward. Once more. And exhale. Inhale to release here. Exhale, slowly sitting up. We'll just bring both feet together, grabbing each foot. Inhale to sit up tall. I like to make sure everything's evened out at the end. Exhaling, pressing and resisting as they come forward. Inhale, sliding back. And exhale. Maybe even try a little toe point at the bottom of that last time. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. Nice, slowly relax. Inhale to slowly sit up. Now let's try the test, see how it is to get back up. Oh my gosh, huge difference, huge difference. So there is going to be a little bit of soreness. Obviously, it's not a magic cure, but it's going to help alleviate the pain a lot. You can do this a few times throughout the day and continuously throughout the week leading up to your next leg workout. This is even safe to do before your leg workout because you're engaging the muscles versus just a long hold passive stretch, which could potentially cause injuries because it weakens the muscles and the ligaments and doesn't recover for about a half an hour to an hour. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions, as well as any requests. Again, I'm Joyce Scola. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Happy leg day.